starting with Reunert, which has businesses in electrical engineering, information and communication technologies, and defense and allied electronics.
Pretty big, but it doesn't really seem to get any love. So earnings strong.
Market cap 13.2 billion, PE ratio of 12.6, dividend yield here of 6.1%. Mustn't ignore that dividend yield.
Yeah, and what they've also done very well is to increase their revenue over consecutive years over the last 3 years. It's a company I like. They've made some very strategic acquisitions. One of the companies that let go is National Mobile Group. That wasn't doing very well for them, and what that did is give them a lot of cash to carry on with the acquisition program, to provide a lot of value in the stock. And I think it's one of those that's strategically placed over the next 3 years. And why I say that is they're going to be a huge supplier into electrical equipment, into the renewable energy sector. That project is well underway. It's a project that's expecting a lot of growth over the next 3 years.
In fact, it has been heralded as a world-class renewable program.
Exactly.
And something that South Africa can be proud of.
Yeah.
In short supply at the moment. But
and I heard, I stand to be corrected, we had judgment this morning on the nuclear deal going the other way, or not basically saying there's a red, or it's not carrying on. So we know that we are a growing economy. As a growing economy, you need more power. So that renewable energy project will become more and more important.
So let's look at the share price graph there, Paul.
Yeah, look, it was at 80 rands a share in 2007, and it's still at that level. So that means for the last decade, there's been no sustained share price improvement.
Although you could have bought into the dips there and made a tidy little packet.
Yeah.
At 60, carried it all the
the
way back to 80.
businesses they sold, Nashua Mobile, of course, was a mobile phone service provider. They split that business up and sold it to MTN and Vodacom and the likes. So what's left is CBI Electric, which is all the sort of switch gear and all of that. They're a major manufacturer of both copper cables and fiber cables. So that's exciting.
Copper cables and fiber cables.
Yeah, so the copper cable feeds into the renewable energy thing, and then fiber, of course, is Dark Fiber Africa and everyone that's pulling those big networks. So that's also pretty good. And then some high-end tech, radar and all that sort of stuff.
Hot, not Mduduzi?
I'm hot for the medium term, next 3 to 5 years, then I'd probably sell it after that.
Okay, so but we're going to take that hot.
Hot, yeah.
Are we going hot, Paul Theron?
Yeah, I'd like to still see the market wake up to this one. I mean, it's got a 12 PE and a 6% dividend yield. Alan Dixon, the CEO, has done well, but I just think there's not really all that much enthusiasm.
You're not going to see a huge amount of value unlock in the foreseeable future,
Well,
is
we
what you're
need
saying.
the history and the unbundlings and the sales and the distributions to really recede and for the earnings uptick to come through. For the moment, anyway.
Not hot. Not hot.
I can't see it. Not hot.